And under Manage Sheets, we have the Edit Sheet parameters. So in here, you can edit the sheet parameters by selecting the sheets you want to edit and edit them data in the data grid. You can also search and replace. And if you change the value, you can click on the plus sign and drag to do fill increment, fill copy, or custom increment. When you're done, simply update the sheets and the data will be updated. I can also manage positions of views on sheets. So if I select and drag this viewport to a new position, I can go to Edit Sheet Parameter Values, select my floor plans, show view location. I can see the view location of my plan 9 is not the same as the other. So if I want, I can move this back by copy the value, and paste it, and update that sheet.